May this special day fill your life with joy and happiness. Eid Mubarak. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed Eid. Eid Mubarak. May these blessings of Allah be with you and your family forever and always. You make every day feel like Eid to me with your love and affection. May this Eid bring us even closer and fill our hearts with love and romance. May you find Allah's blessings and guidance in every step of your life. Eid Mubarak. I pray that Allah strengthens our love for each other and our faith in Him. May He keep us together for an eternity. May Allah bless you with all the love and happiness that your heart can hold. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May Allah accept all your prayers and grant you forgiveness. May this magic of the Eid bring lot of happiness in your life. Eid Mubarak. I wish the love, prosperity and happiness of Eid always be with you. Eid Mubarak. May Allah place mercy upon all the Muslims all around the world. Eid Mubarak to everyone celebrating. Wishing you a happy Eid celebration full of fun and cheer. Eid Mubarak everyone. May Allah fulfill all your dreams and hopes. If you like to this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.